Video begins with a serene and welcoming visual, perhaps a beautiful mosque, nature, or a person in quiet contemplation. Ever feel like life is just too complicated? Like you're juggling a million different things, trying to figure out what truly matters? What if I told you there's a path that simplifies everything, bringing clarity and peace to your life? Let's talk about Islam, and I promise it's simpler than you might think. At its heart, Islam is built on a beautifully clear foundation. One God, one purpose, and one life to make meaningful. That's it. No confusion, no complicated layers, and no middlemen. It's a direct personal connection between you and your Creator, Allah. This relationship is yours to build, nurture, and cherish. Think of it like a journey with a clear map. This map is guided by 5 simple, powerful pillars. These aren't just rules. They are practical steps that shape your character and enrich your soul. First, there's the pillar of belief, the Shahada. It's the core declaration that there is no God but Allah, and Muhammad is his messenger. This simple phrase anchors your entire worldview, giving you a single, unwavering focal point. Next comes prayer, or Salah. 5 times a day you pause, disconnect from the worldly chaos, and reconnect with your source. It's not a chore, it's a spiritual reset button, a moment of peace and gratitude that punctuates your day, keeping you grounded and mindful. Then we have charity, zakat. This isn't just about giving money, it's about purifying your wealth and your heart. It teaches you empathy and reminds you that what you have is a blessing meant to be shared. It fosters a community where everyone looks out for one another. During the month of Ramadan, there's fasting, or Psalm. By abstaining from food and drink from dawn till dusk, you learn self-discipline, patience, and compassion for those who have less. It's a physical and spiritual detox that strengthens your willpower and deepens your gratitude. Finally, if you are able, there is the pilgrimage to Mecca, the Hajj. It has a profound journey that strips away all status and unites millions of people from every corner of the globe, all equal before God. It's a powerful symbol of unity and devotion. Each pillar isn't just a religious duty, it's a form of training for your heart. They train you to believe more deeply, to care more genuinely, and to live a cleaner, more disciplined life. This is why Islam feels so complete. It's not just a set of beliefs you hold, it's a comprehensive system for a peaceful, purposeful existence. It guides your interactions, your personal growth, and your spiritual journey, bringing a sense of wholeness and tranquility. It simplifies the noise and helps you focus on what truly matters. Thank you so much for joining me today to explore this. If this brought you a little bit of peace or clarity, I'd be so grateful if you'd like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. See you in the next one.